2017 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, traction control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, remote vehicle start, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, cruise control, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, front-wheel drive, rear defrost, MP3 player. Come see the car for yourself.